Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kelly and today's video is about an engagement hamper gift that I put together for a friend of mine many years ago now. Anyway, I was really happy with how this idea turned out, so I thought I would bring it back to my new channel. And I thought I better do it soon before DVDs go out of fashion completely and disappear forever. Anyway, you are here to see an engagement gift idea, so I'm going to put it on right now before I keep chatting and talking and blah blah blah. Today I am doing a basket of gifts, and this basket of gifts is for an engagement present for Steph and her fiancé Bill. I am going to start with the basket. Then I am going to add a bride magazine. It won't be an engagement present without a bride magazine, to give the bride-to-be some wedding inspiration. Next, of course, his and hers alcohol. Drink me when stressed. This idea I found on Pinterest, because we all know how stressful planning a wedding can be. And then, let the celebrations begin with some celebration chocolates. I have a tag here that says, when you need to take a break from wedding stress. And this tag is going to be on this gift. And that is going inside this cute little elephant box, which represents Bill's proposal. He proposed in Bali, which involved flash mobs and elephants. Probably the best proposal I've heard of from someone I know. Next gift I'm quite proud of, I must say. I was really pleased with this idea. I saw an engagement gift on Pinterest with the proposal DVD in it, and thought that would be good to add to the hamper. And then the idea extended and got out of hand. It all started with the proposal. Now you will be trying on 27 dresses and choosing your bridesmaids. You are going to be super busy being the wedding planner. I need to find a wedding date. Hopefully there are some wedding crashes. Hopefully you and your sister don't have any bride wars. Does Bill have a best man? If not, he can always have the wedding ringer. Steph, I don't think you will be a runaway bride, because what Bill and you have is Love Actually. And one for Bill, which is more for Steph because Bill doesn't like horrors. Now I am going to wrap it up in this natural brown wrapping paper dotted with cupid arrows. It is all ready to go into the basket. Now for the card, which I found on Pinterest. When I saw this, I thought, that is so Steph, so I had to use it. Now for the finishing touches, some nice lights to go around the basket. Beautiful. That's a beautiful basket of gifts. I also added this Jackdaw Cottage voucher, which has now well and truly expired because Jackdaw Cottage no longer exists as my parents sold it. So I have updated it to a weekend at the tea house instead. And there you have a basket of gifts / hamper for an engagement present. To go with their wedding present, I really wanted to find the DVD Just Married, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so I was really disappointed in myself with that, because I could have got it off eBay, but I was a bit late. Never mind. Oh well. There's an idea for you as a wedding present. To go with the wedding present. Just Married.